I'm going to show you how you can make monthly recurring revenue online and make money online, just like these guys here. This guy is making thousands of dollars per month. This person is also making thousands of dollars per month. This person is also making thousands of dollars per month. And there's thousands of people actually doing this online right now. I'm going to show you how to do this so you can keep growing and get recurring income every single month. This is brand new to my channel, and you're not going to have to go and create your own website to do this. And more importantly, you can do this from anywhere in the world. So let me show you how you can go and make monthly recurring income online and make money online right now. All right, guys, so the first step to this is we need to actually come up with an idea, and there's 4 steps to this, and I'm going to take you through every single one of these steps. So the first one is we need to get some ideas so we can go ahead and make money online. Now, the fact that AI is here now, ChatGPT, it's so easy to get ideas. So let's just simply go to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to put in something random. I haven't even done this before. I'm just going to put in a list of the best topics I can use to make money with online. Now, this is just spitballing here. You might want to go ahead and do something better, like a better prompt, but it's actually given me some really good stuff here. So we have personal finance and investing, health and wellness, self-improvement, technology and gadgets. So it's actually given us some really good ideas here. But what you also need to take into account when doing this sort of stuff is you need to take in, like, where are you going to make the most money? So for example, let's just take the gaming niche. You're probably not going to make a lot of money with this method in the gaming niche. So this is quite important. I would say for this particular method, I'll give you a breakdown of the ones where you're going to make the most money. It's personal finance and investing, health and wellness, self-improvement. And if we go down, we also have affiliate marketing, niche blogging, cryptocurrencies, SEO and blogging tips, drop shipping and e-commerce. These are the ones that are where you're going to make the most money, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So now let's talk about the next step that we want to go ahead and do. Now, what you want to do is you want to focus what we're going to do in this video around one topic. So let's just take, for example, I'm going to take, let's just take drop shipping and e-commerce, mainly because I'm in this industry. I know a lot about it, but you don't need to know anything about anything. So we're going to go drop shipping and e-commerce. This is the main thing we're going to focus on and the only thing we're going to focus on. The next step is we need to go ahead and we need to create content. This is the most important part. So we're going to go ahead and create some content, and we can also use ChatGPT to do this. Now, all we need to do in this case is create an ebook or multiple ebooks about drop shipping, or you can split them up into different types of categories, like how to find products, how to get traffic, etc. regarding drop shipping. So what you want to do is you want to go to Explore GPTs, and you just want to put in ebook. And what this does is it's going to take us to a GPT where we can create an ebook. Now, you're going to want to create multiple ebooks, and I'll show you why in a second, but I'm just going to go ahead and create one ebook based on drop shipping. Okay, so I'm going to say create an ebook called The 5 Steps to Drop Shipping. Be detailed. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do that for me. Now, keep in mind, you're probably going to have to do this a few times to get the right type of stuff that you actually need. And as you can see, it's creating this content for us. Now, depending on the GPT, usually at the end of the content that it's created, you can export this as a PDF, right? Or what you can do is you can go ahead and copy all of this, and you can copy this into something like Google Documents, and then you can export that as a PDF. Really simple to do and understand. So we have some content here. We have an ebook that we can go ahead and use, or we can give away, or whatever we need to do. The next step is really important, and this is where we're going to go ahead and make a lot of our money. But more importantly, you want to go and create a bunch of content. I would recommend creating 10 ebooks in your niche. So for example, you could do a big ebook on how to do drop shipping and e-commerce, and you can do like sub ebooks on detailed ones on how to get the best suppliers, what are the best products, product research, and you can actually create these quite often as well and update them as well, which you'll understand in a second when we get into the next step. But that's how you can go ahead and create this stuff. The next step is we need to go ahead and we need to find a place to get recurring income. Recurring income is income that comes in every single month. There's actually a really easy place that we can do this that's super easy to set up. And this is called school.com. I've got a group here. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So this is school.com, where you can create groups and you can charge a monthly fee, or you can have a free group if you like. Now, there is crazy amounts of money to be made. If you look at this group here, he's got 1,800 members, $150,000 per, $150 people are paying per month. He's getting nearly $300,000 USD per month. In my currency, that's about $500,000, $500,000 he'll be getting in my currency every single month. That's insane. $500,000 every single month. If we take a look at this one, this is $50 a month. He's got 132 members, pretty good. This one here is $100 a month. He's got nearly 200 members. This one here, 1,000 members, $150 a month. You don't need a lot of members, that's the thing, to make a good amount of income per month with this. So let me take you through this and explain to you exactly how this all works and give you a breakdown of my group as well. So here is my group that I created called the Cashflow Alliance. And this group is based on multiple ways to make income online. We've got affiliate marketing, YouTube, dropshipping, and coaching. Now, the reason mine is based on multiple things is because I've experienced in all of those things. But if we actually go to here to the classroom, you'll see that this is what I have in my membership. We have a book that I made with ChatGPT. I have another training that is a YouTube training. I have another thing here called Shop AI, where I take people through how to start a e-commerce store using just AI. And then I have all of this other stuff that people can go ahead and unlock to view. And then you can also update this stuff every single month with new content if you like. And what I can do, so these are all of the members here, and then these are like the leaderboards here, etc. Now, if we go to the settings here, right now, I'll show you, give you a breakdown of all of this, the subscription side of things, pricing. Now, I've currently set mine to $1 a month. The reason why is just because when I had it for free, and I was getting, I wanted to actually have it paid, so I didn't have a lot of people coming in, so I just put it to $1 a month. But you can actually do whatever you like here: $10 a month, $20 a month, $30 a month, $40 a month, $50 a month. You can do whatever you want, and you're going to get paid monthly from putting content into these places. It's really, really good. I have 8 members at $1 a month. Doesn't really matter, whatever, $8 a month. But you could see that I had 800 free members come in. The reason I did it for free at the start is to get up in the ranks on this page. And then you get more members. This is like an algorithm where you can get more members. Right, I apologize, guys. My camera's gone flat, but we can continue. And then that's how you can actually do it. And now if you look at this, you'll see that this is based around generally just making money online. However, you can do yours based on one specific topic, and these are the active people in the group. Now, let's jump into the next step of all of this, which is quite important, is we need to actually focus on a place to get traffic. Okay? So once you go ahead and you populate your group with your courses, etc., you're going to want to go ahead and get traffic. So there's a few ways I would recommend you do this. Number one is you can use paid traffic like Facebook. So if we actually look at this guy here who has 2,000 members, I know that he uses primarily Facebook to get all of his traffic. I've seen his ads all over Facebook. So that's what he actually does. So that's quite important to understand, that if you want to scale quickly, you can actually go ahead and do that. The next thing is you can go ahead and use YouTube to get traffic as well. This is how I started online. So if we actually go to drop shipping here, there's all of these videos on drop shipping where you could put a link. So if we click on this video here, you can put a link in the description here to your group. Now, if we go to my channel real quick, let me show you here. We go to videos and we go to the oldest. You'll see that I started doing videos based on how to make money online, but I also did videos based on how to do drop shipping, how to find a Shopify niche. And this got 179,000 views. How to create a Shopify store, 133,000 views. Imagine getting hundreds and thousands of views and having a link in the description to the group 8 years ago. Wow, that's kind of crazy. And you can see here that I have a link in the description to my whatever this is. Now you could have a link to your group. So these are the 4 steps to going ahead and creating a recurring income online. And I would recommend using school.com because you can easily set up a community where you can charge a recurring amount of money every single month to make money online. All right, guys, any questions, let me know below. I'll see you in the next video.